It was 3 weeks ago today that the first confirmed case of the Omicron variant was identified in the United States. Now it's the dominant variant across the country, accounting for 73% of new infections last week, according to the CDC. Today, Houston Methodist said the Omicron variant now accounts for 85% of their new symptomatic COVID-19 cases. And Dr. Wesley Long says the doubling time on this variant is just 2.1 days. That's quick. For reference, when Delta was at its peak, its doubling time was about 7 days. Earlier today, we spoke with Dr. Shi at UTMB about what their research is showing on this variant. Often you'll hear people say, well, I've had COVID, so I have some natural immunity. Well, Dr. Shi says their research is showing previous infection is offering little protection against the Omicron variant.
We've tested a lot of those other laboratories, and researchers have tested this. And the Omicron is, compared with all the previous variants we know, they are just poses a much more higher challenge in terms of dropping of the neutralizing antibody activity.
Okay, so Courtney, we know that a lot of people are planning to see family and friends over the next few days here. So in light of what we know about this new variant, what are the experts suggesting?
Well, Eric, no doubt this is what people are trying to figure out right now. Dr. Stan Spinner with Texas Children suggests, especially if you have young kids who are not able to be vaccinated yet, or if you'll be around people with underlying conditions, even if they are vaccinated, he suggests testing right before getting together.
One of the challenges is with Omicron, you can literally test negative Monday and be, contagious that night or the next day. It spreads so rapidly. So the challenge there is trying to get the test done at the last minute before you get together, finding the availability of it again. But I would say if you can do something like that, if you're not symptomatic, I would do it. If you're symptomatic, I would try to get a PCR.
Well, Dr. Spinner mentioned availability of those at-home tests. They are in high demand and can be difficult to find. If you're heading out to buy some, know that CVS and Walgreens are both limiting the number of tests you can buy right now. The limit is 4 at Walgreens and 6 at CVS.